Welcome to today's guided meditation, where we'll manifest your dream vacation. Manifesting isn't just about wishing, it's about feeling. You're not merely dreaming. You're creating your future reality. Find a comfortable place to sit or lay down. Close your eyes if that feels right, or follow along with the visuals on the screen. Let's begin. Imagine you're staying in a luxurious house. You wake up to soft light pouring through a glass door. There's no alarm because there's nowhere you need to be. Just here, in this moment. You stretch, feeling completely at ease. Walk to the door and open the drapes. Feel the warmth of the sun gently touching your face. It's a beautiful sunny day. Look out the door onto a peaceful infinity pool that stretches to meet the horizon. Beyond it, the ocean sparkles under the morning sun. You're in complete privacy. As you open the door, a gentle ocean breeze greets you. Feel it play with your hair as you take a deep breath. The air is sweet and salty. Taste it. Let the warmth of the sun soak into your skin. Walk along the pool and feel the ground's warmth under your feet. Every step brings a sense of calm and freedom. Take a seat by the pool. Notice how the water shimmers. Dip your toes into the water. Feel its coolness wrapping between your toes. Kick gently, watching ripples spread across the surface. The water is the perfect temperature. Now, imagine jumping in, just like you did as a kid. Submerge yourself. The world goes quiet beneath the water. Push your arms through the water. Kick your legs and swim to the edge of the pool. At the edge, look out at the ocean. Watch the waves breaking softly on the shore. Hear sound of seabirds flying overhead. This moment is yours. It's peaceful. It's perfect. Be still. Enjoy the silence, the warmth of the sun on your skin. In this stillness, you connect with your divine power to create your reality. Now, If you haven't already, close your eyes. Envision what comes next in your day. Perhaps you'll relax with a book by the pool, savor a delicious meal, stroll along the beach, or visit charming local shops. Picture every detail and focus on experiencing through your five senses. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the peace this vacation brings. Let the emotions fill you. Know, without a shadow of a doubt, that this isn't just a dream. It's your future reality, forming in this very moment. Hold on to this feeling throughout your day. Your dream vacation is on its way, aligning perfectly with your life. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Together, we are creating our dream realities. Until next time, keep imagining, keep feeling, and keep creating.